A very good morning to my dear students. Welcome to English online class. I hope you all are very safe and fine at home. Today I, Swarn Kaur, is going to start your English grammar lesson number 9, personal pronouns. So let us start your chapter. Students, there are some sentences on your screen. Ram is a good boy. Ram goes to school. Ram does his work. Now you can see again and again I am taking the name of a boy and the name is Ram. In every sentence I have used this word, and again I am talking about that Ram is doing this, Ram is doing this, and Ram is doing this. So instead of taking the name of that particular person again and again, we can use a different word instead of that, and that different word is called a pronoun. That means in these sentences the word Ram is repeated many times. So instead of using the same noun again and again, we can use another word in its place, and that word is known as pronoun. See, we have already studied about the nouns. That nouns are the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Means whatever we see around us, if that has a name, so that is a noun. So already we have studied about that noun. So instead of that noun, if we are using any word, okay, instead of that noun, if we are using any word, that word is known as pronoun. Now let's have a look on the definition of pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Look it carefully. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. That means in place of a noun, the word which we are using, that word is known as pronoun. In starting, I wrote some examples on the screen. Now see those examples again. Ram is a good boy. Ram goes to school. Ram does his work. Now, instead of using again and again Ram word, I can use a different particular word, and that word is he. For the male members, we use he. So, he is a pronoun here. Now, come to your topic. The topic of your chapter is personal pronouns. See, what are the personal pronouns? Personal pronouns are the pronouns that are associated primarily with the particular grammatical person, first person, second person or third person. That means personal pronouns include all the grammatical person, that includes first person, second person or third person. I am showing you some examples of personal pronoun here. You can see on the screen there are examples of personal pronoun. He, she, it, me, mine, we, us, I, ours, you, yours, him, his, her, hers, they, theirs, them. Look at them carefully. These are the examples of personal pronouns. Now we will study about the first person, second person and third person. Firstly, I will explain you about the first person. First person, all the pronouns that are used for the person speaking are known as pronouns of the first person. Means who is speaking. Okay, whoever is speaking, that person is first person. For example, I, me, mine, we, us, ours. These are the words, these are the pronoun words which are used as first person. Now, come to second person. All the pronouns that are used for the person spoken to are called pronouns of the second person. Means whom you are speaking. To whom you are speaking, the person who is standing in front of you, you are speaking to that person and that person is you. So you, yours are the examples of second person. See, who is speaking is the first person and whom you are speaking is the second person. Now we will discuss about third person. Now come to the next category. Next category is third person. See, all the pronouns that are used for the person spoken about are called pronouns of the third person. Means to whom you are talking, means about whom you are talking. About whom you are talking. Okay, we are talking to a person, but about whom? About whom we are talking. That is third person. For example, these are the examples of third person. He, him, his, she, her, hers, they, them, theirs. Okay, so whenever about whom we are talking, that belongs to third person. So here I will show you some picture so that it will be more clear to you. In first picture you can see first person, second person, third person with example. And look at second picture. I am talking to you about him. There is a sentence you can see. I am talking to you about him. See this picture carefully. I who is speaking, first person. You, whom you are talking, whom you are speaking, second person. About whom you are talking, third person. So here, I is first person, you is second person, and him is third person. Now we will study about the forms of the personal pronoun. Forms of the personal pronoun. Means here we will discuss whatever the personal pronouns means that belongs to first person, second person, third person. How they are used as subject, as object, or as possessive pronoun. Okay. So let us discuss one by one. So firstly we will discuss about first person. See, as a subject, first person, as a subject, the word which we can use that are I, we. I is used as singular, we is used as plural. Okay, I and we used as subject. Then me and us, that also belong to first person, but they are used as object. So me is used as an object with I and singular. Us is used as an object with we, plural. Okay, so me and us are used as object. Next is possessive pronoun. See, mine and ours. Mine is used as possessive pronoun and ours is used as possessive pronoun. Okay. So in the first person category, when I we are using as subject, me will be used as object and mine will be used as possessive pronoun. As in the case with we, when we are using as subject, then with that us will used as object and ours will be used as possessive pronoun. Now come to second person. See students, you is used as singular and plural both. Okay, you is used as singular and plural both. So you is used as subject here in both singular and plural, and object also it is used just like you. Okay, in object also it is used like you. For possessive pronoun we are using yours here. Possessive pronoun we are using yours. So whenever we are having the subject with you and we want to use object in the sentence, then you will come, and if we want to use possessive pronoun in the sentence, yours will come, and that all belongs to second person. Now third person. See, as a subject, the pronouns which are used as third person, he, she, it, they are used as singular, they as plural. Okay, so they are used as subject. As object, the third person which is used, him, her and it. Him is used for he, her is used for she, and it is used for it. Means when subject is he and object is given here, that will be him. If subject is she, then the object of she will be her, and subject is it, then object of it will be it. Possessive pronoun for the third person, when subject is he, she and it. The possessive pronoun for he will be his. Possessive pronoun for she will be hers. Okay. Now come to plural. They as a third person used as plural. For object, we use them. If they is subject, for object we will use them. And for possessive pronoun, we will use theirs. So dear students, you have seen the forms of personal pronouns, means how the personal pronouns first person, second person and third person are used as subject, as object and as possessive pronoun. Here let's make this thing clear. It. See, it in third person is used as subject, as object. But when we are talking about possessive pronoun, it is not used. It means it will not be used as possessive pronoun. Okay, it's always possessive adjective, not possessive pronoun. So in this chapter we have studied about pronouns, personal pronouns, first person, second person, third person, and different forms of these person, means how they are used as subject, object and possessive pronouns. Now we will start the exercise related to this chapter. So let us start exercise number A. Rewrite the following sentences by using personal pronouns in place of the words given in color. In this exercise, we have some colorful words and that words are noun, but instead of that noun, we have to use personal pronoun. Means we have to write that word which is personal pronoun. Okay. So let us start. First is Dr. Ramesh is a doctor. Dr. Ramesh lives in my neighborhood. So Dr. Ramesh, the word Dr. Ramesh which is given in color, instead of that word we have to think about the personal pronoun. Which personal pronoun word will come here? Think about the answer. Yes, he. Dr. Ramesh is a doctor. He lives in my neighborhood. Second is Vinod is a sports person. I want to meet Vinod. Vinod is a sports person. I want to meet. What word will come here? Him. Him will come here because Vinod is used as object here. Okay, so him is used as object here. Third is Rekha is a good singer. Rekha takes part in cultural programs. Rekha is a good singer. Instead of Rekha, what will come here? She. Yes, she will come here. For the female members, we use she here. Takes part in cultural programs. So she will come here. Number 4. Rakhi is a housewife. Rakhi cooks very delicious food. So instead of Rakhi, what will come here? She. Definitely she will come here. Number 5. Mahesh and Ramesh are intelligent students. Mahesh and Ramesh always stand first in the exams. So instead of Mahesh and Ramesh, what will come here? See, for two person we use they. So they will come here. Next is Kavita and Anita are sisters. I met Kavita and Anita yesterday. So instead of Kavita and Anita, what will come here? Them. Them will come here because Kavita and Anita, them is used as object here. Okay. Next is Archana is the daughter of Mr. Amit. Archana wants to meet Mr. Amit. So Archana, she will come. And instead of Mr. Amit, him will come because it is used as object. Next, Sumit is the son of Mrs. Asha. So here in this sentence, instead of Sumit, what will come? He. Okay, for the male members we use he. And instead of Mrs. Asha, her will come because it is used as object here. Naresh drew an excellent painting. Sumita also drew an excellent painting. Naresh and Sumita drew many excellent paintings. So what will come here instead of Naresh and Sumita? They. Next is Naveen and Neeta are my classmates. Naveen and Neeta helped me in my studies. I shall meet Naveen and Neeta tomorrow. So first Naveen and Neeta, what will come? It is used as subject here, so they will come. And in next sentence, I shall meet Naveen and Neeta. It is used as object here, so them will come. Dear students, you have to note these sentences, this exercise in your notebook in neat and clean handwriting. Okay. Now let's move to another exercise. Exercise number B. Point out the personal pronoun in the following sentences and tell for what they stand. In this sentence, firstly you have to point out the personal pronouns, whatever the personal pronouns are here, you have to, and then you have to write for what they stand. Okay, you have to write the word for what they stand. First is, there were windows all around the hall, but they were all locked. So firstly, find out the personal pronoun here. Yes, they is personal pronoun. So circle it and write down the word for what they stand. And they stand for window. So write down the window in the dash word. Next is, Ram had taken out his purse out of his pocket. He was looking in it uneasily. So circle the personal pronoun. He is personal pronoun here and it also personal pronoun. Circle them. And he belongs to Ram. So Ram will come in dash and it belongs to purse. So purse will come in dash. Number 3. The boys went on to the roof to catch a kite. They saw it was stuck among wires. Firstly, find out the personal pronoun. They, personal pronoun. It, personal pronoun. Circle them. They belong to boys. Write down boys. And it belongs to kite. Write down kite in the dash. Next is, Karina brought her bag and laid it on the bed. So find out the personal pronoun. It. It is personal pronoun here. Circle it. And it belongs to bag. So write down the bag in dash. Next is, the horse fell down and broke its leg. See this sentence carefully. The horse fell down and broke its leg. In this sentence, we don't have any personal pronoun. We don't have any personal pronoun in this sentence. Why? As I had already taught you that its will never used as possessive pronoun. Its will never used as possessive pronoun. It always used as possessive adjective. So here also you can see its is given and its is used as possessive adjective, not as pronoun. So there is no personal pronoun. So you will mark cross here. What will you mark here? Cross. There is no personal pronoun. Okay. This exercise also you have to note down in your notebook. Now we will move to another exercise. Next exercise is exercise number C. Write the correct form of pronouns in the following. In this exercise, we have 8 sentences and two options are given here. In every sentence, we have 2 options. One is correct. You have to think about the correct answer and then you have to fill in the blanks. Dear students, as I have explained to you that chapter, personal pronoun and forms of the personal pronouns means first person, second person and third person, and how they are used as subject and object and possessive pronoun. So you have to think about the answers in this exercise and you have to fill yourself because it's your home assignment. Okay, you will get the answers but later on. First you try to solve it. First is, we hit as many sixes as dash. They, them. Deepak and Dash were present in the party. I, me. He is as good as. I, me. Nobody but Dash was late. He, him. There is not much similarity between you and Dash. She, her. Dash is my dog. It, he. Tinu, Dash are a lazy dog. I, you. Rinky and Dash are best friends. I, her. So dear students, think about the answer. What particular word will come here? What is the correct answer? Fill in that and do it in your notebook. Okay? Think about answers. What will come here? Then exercise number D. See, exercise number C and D both are your home assignment. Okay. Exercise number D. Write the appropriate pronoun to replace the colored noun. See, as we have done exercise number A na, that whatever word is here, instead of that noun we have to use pronoun. So here also in this exercise also a colored word is given, means noun is given, and you have to write a pronoun word instead of that noun. Okay, I think this exercise will be clear to you. For the male members use he as a subject. For the female member we use she as a subject, and for things we use it as a subject. And object also already I have told that he, she, what objects we will use. So here in this exercise you have to fill the answers instead of noun. Instead of noun you have to fill pronoun. So read the sentences carefully, okay, and fill the answers. I'm going to read the sentences for you once. Mr. Sharma is a teacher. The flower is beautiful. The cup is on the table. The woman is running. The cat is under the table. The little boy is sleeping. The men are walking. The computer is old. Kavita is reading a book. The librarian is angry. Vijay is a carpenter. The chair is broken. The words which are in colored in pink color, instead of that these words you have to write a pronoun word. Okay, so think about the answers and do these exercise in your notebook in neat and clean handwriting. Okay, and put a particular date and heading and page number, everything. So dear students, that's all for this class. Okay, do your work in clean handwriting. Thank you and have a nice day. Be safe.